Hello students, how are you? I hope you would be all right. One of my students of class 9 asked this question to me that um, the height of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter, then the area of the triangle is, and then options are 15 root 3, 3 root 3, 12 root 3, or none of these. So I'm going to solve this question in one by one here. There are two questions. The first question is asked that the height of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter. For this, we have to make an equilateral triangle. Suppose I have made here an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal here. Suppose it is 2a. This is 2a, this is 2a, this is 2a. I assumed it as 2a. Okay, all the sides are equal since it is an equilateral triangle. The area of the triangle is, we need to find the area. So if we apply here the Heron's formula, we'll not be able to find the area of this triangle because the a is the unknown value here. We need to find the value of a. So, and what is given here, the height of the triangle is given. So height is actually, they are talking about the perpendicular height. So I can make the perpendicular height like this here. Okay, so since it is an equilateral triangle, so I assume it as its height is I can name them a, b, c, and the perpendicular height will be a, l. Okay, I assumed it. Now since perpendicular height is 6 given, 6 centimeters, so I can write it 6 centimeter here. um, Now since um, let me 6 centimeter, okay, 6, it is 6. Now since we know that the altitude, and this is the altitude we see here, I can assume here it is altitude. Here we have, this is altitude, and this will be the midpoint. Why? Because BL equal to CL. Why it is a midpoint? As we know that in equilateral triangle, altitude and median both are same. It means that BL will be equal to CL in this case. Since BL equal to CL, and since all the side is, the BC is 2A, so we can assume it as A, like A, this is A, and this will also be A. When you apply here the, since it is a right angle triangle, as we know, so we can apply here what Pythagoras theorem. Here it says that hypotenuse square equal to, hypotenuse is what, is AC square equal to, hypotenuse square equal to, because uh, opposite of this is 90 degree and AC is the opposite of this 90 degree. So AC will be the hypotenuse in this case. Now AC square equal to AL square plus CL square. All right, so AC, value of AC is here, it is given 2A whole square equal to A square. AL is 6 square plus A square. Now solve the value of, this is 4A whole A square equal to 36 plus A square. Now A square will transpose here, will be transposed and become minus A square equal to 36, and now 3A square equal to 36, and A square will be equal to 36 upon 2 upon 3 will be, it will be 12, and A will be equal to plus minus under root of 12. So we are not taking the negative value here, so it will be plus 2 into 2 into 3. All right, so since we have a pair of 2, so uh, it will be out, and since 3 has doesn't have its own pair, so we can not take it out as a square root here. Now since value of A is 2 root 3, and we have Now we can assume that the a value of a is 2 root 3. So I can mention here the value of a is 2 root 3. It's not color, is not 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is the value of a. Now it is very easy now to apply the area of triangle formula. That what is this? This is half base into height. BC is the base and AL is the height. So we can apply here the formula of here delete. Okay, I can okay, or you can apply the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle, area half into base into height. Half, what is base? Is BC, and your height is AL, of course. Now half, what is BC? BC is 2A. And what is the height? Base is 2A. What is the height? AL is 6. And we can substitute the value of A here, which is 2 root 3. And when I substitute the value, it will be 2 and 2 will be cancelled here. 6 to the 12 root 3. 6 here in 6 and 2 will be 6 to the 12 root 3 square unit. So the here answer 12 root 3. 12 root 3 square unit is the answer. So we can click on that. Okay. The second question here, that area of an isosceles triangle is each of whose equal side is 13 meter and whose base is 24 meter. Okay. So give me one moment. I'm going to clear this page. Okay. All right. To solve this question here, the area of an isosceles triangle, each of whose equal side is 13 meter. So let's make an equal isosceles triangle here. And in isosceles triangle, we know that two sides are equal. So these two sides are equal here. I can name them as A, B, C. All right. Whose equal sides are 13 meter. So this is 13. This is also 13 meter here. Now whose base is, it is given that whose base is 24 meter. And base is 24 meter. Base is 24. It is very easy to solve this question by using Heron's formula. In Heron's formula, you will be able to solve just by taking s small s equal to a plus b plus c, 13 plus 13 plus 13, and just divided by 2. It will be, sorry, 13, not 13, 13 plus 13, 13 plus 13 plus 24. All right, 24. When you add this, you will get the value of s, and when you get the value of s, you can apply here the formula of Heron's formula, like under root s minus a is the first side, s minus b, and s minus c here. When you apply the value of a and b and c and s here, you'll get the area of the triangle. All right. Suppose if you don't want to apply the formula of Heron's formula here, so what other the way you can solve this question? So you can solve this by using here in the way like you can assume it as you can make a perpendicular here, and you know that in isosceles triangle, median and altitude both are same. What is median? Median is a line segment joining from this position point A to the midpoint of the opposite side. If I assume A as a vertex, The opposite of side of this vertex will be side BC, and its midpoint will be, suppose it is L. So when we join AL, it will be the median also, and of course the altitude also. So here, this in this case, BL equal to CL. Now, since BC is 24, so BL will be 12 in this case, and CL is also will be 12. Since we need to find the value of AL, why? Because we know that the area of triangle is half into base into height. Area is half into base. Base is BC. And what is your height? AL. And we need to find the value of AL. How? By using, of course, the Pythagoras theorem. Since we have a right angle triangle ALC, here we know the value 12, this is 13, so we can get the value of what AL here by applying Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So it says that AC square, which is the hypotenuse, equal to base square, which is CL, plus AL square, which is the perpendicular. So here we can apply ALC square equal to CL square plus AL square. AL square. Now the value of AC, what is AC, is 13 given. AC is 13 square and CL is 12 square, plus we need to find the value of AL. So 13 square will be 169 minus, since 12 square it will be transpose and become here minus 12 square, and the 12 square is 144 here. AL square, 9 minus 4 it is 5, 6 minus 4 is 25. So here we can get the value of AL is 5, because you know that the square root of 25 is 5, because here so 5 will be our answer for AL. If we know the value of AL now, this is 5, so we can apply the formula here, like what? Half into base into height. So here we have half into base BC. BC is 24 and height is 5. Now when you cancel it, 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are, and 12 5s are 60 is the answer here. So can here 60 is the answer. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood. Thank you.